Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a fast and easy way to ventilate for your braided wigs. As you can see, I've already started, so I thought let me show you how I do it. I've already started ventilating, so I already outlined the boxes that I am going to be ventilating on. As you can see, I'm just using the ventilating needle. So I started by ventilating on a straight line to the back. So I ventilated on a straight line to the back. I am ventilating on one hole and I skip a hole. I ventilate on a hole and then skip a hole because you don't want it to be too full because you're doing a braided wig. So you ventilate in one hole and then skip a hole, and then you do that on a straight line till you get to the back of the lace.
Mistakes don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself.
So I'm just following the same line all through to the end. It's just a repetition. You ventilate in one hole, then skip a hole, ventilate in one hole and skip a hole till you get to the back. So I repeated the same long line on the other side of the boxes that I am going to be doing. So I'm going to repeat the same line on here. So it's still the same process. You ventilate in one hole, then skip a hole, ventilate in one hole and skip a hole.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without.
So now that I'm done with the line, and I'm going to start ventilating for the boxes. So I also start by outlining the lines for the boxes. I ventilate on the straight line on the side and then to the end, and then I basically do 2 lines for each box to outline where I'll be feeling the ventilation after. So I just repeat the same thing for each boxes. So I'm just going to continue on the next line.
I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing.
So you just repeat the same thing on all the boxes.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing.
So after you finish ventilating for the boxes, after you've outlined the boxes, this is how it's looking at the moment. And then now it's time for you to start filling the boxes, or the middle of the boxes that you've just outlined. So either way you start, with the front or start in the middle, whichever way you choose is still okay. I'm just still repeating the same process. Ventilate on one line and skip a line. I'm just following the process. Ventilate on one hole and then skip a hole. So this is what the front is looking like. So, and then I'll start ventilating on the lines. When you're ventilating for box braids, the fastest way is to not ventilate on every hole, because that will take you a lot of time, and it will take you days, and you might get tired of ventilating because it's not ending. So the fast and easy way to do it is, when you ventilate on one line, you skip a line and then ventilate on the next line. That's exactly what I'm doing here. I ventilate on one line and then I skip a line, so it won't take me forever to ventilate. So I just keep ventilating in the same pattern, ventilating one hole, skip a hole, ventilating one hole, and then skip another hole. So that's how I've just continued all the way through.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you.
So I'm just ventilating on the last line. Don't forget those 2 lines that you did to line the boxes align the boxes to ventilate. So you're going to use that as the parting area for this box. So when you finish ventilating this, you just get a comb and then put a part in the middle of the boxes. That will separate the parts for your box braids. So, and then I'm just combing it through, obviously, to remove if there was any tangle, and then you remove it. So those 2 lines that I did before, I just separated it, and one was for the other box braid that I just finished ventilating, and I braided it, and that's one done. So this is the fast way to get your ventilation done for braided wigs, instead of having to ventilate every single line, and the hair is the boxes are either too full and you take forever to finish ventilating one braid or ventilating for a box. So this is a fast and easy way to ventilate for your box braid. It's just a repetition now, so I just still continued as I was doing previously. Ventilate in one box, in one hole, skip a hole, ventilate on one hole, skip a hole, and then obviously ventilating on one line and skipping a line. So it's mostly just a repetition at this time. So if you can just continue watching, so just continue watching because most of them are like a repetition of all that I've already done or I've already explained when I started the video. So if you're learning anything so far from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Liking this video shows engagement and it really helps my channel out a lot. So please don't forget to like this video and comment as well. It shows that you've engaged with this video. And yeah,
All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under. This means that
when you ventilate your box braid this way, so even if they flip the wig to look at the back, there's still ventilation, so it doesn't show empty spaces inside of the lace, and it won't look empty as well. It looks very natural when you ventilate your wigs like this. It's very clean, it's very neat, it's very nice. It looks very nice when you ventilate your wigs like this. So this is what 2 boxes are looking like at the moment. Now I'm going to be ventilating on the last box. I didn't want to take too much time. The video was already becoming too long, so I tried my best to cut it down so the video won't be too long. So this is the last box, and I've already done the one at the back. So this is what the ventilated part is looking like at the moment. So when I finish here, you see what it looks like.
but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you.
So this is the last part of the braid of the ventilation.
I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person.
This is what the middle is looking like.
This imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under.
This is what the middle looks like. It's very it's still full but not too full. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. If there's any other video that you want me to do for you, I can let me know in the comment section and then I'll try and do it. I hope you enjoyed this video and then you learned at least one or two from watching this video. Thank you again for watching, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.